Anderson College is one of Canada's oldest colleges, having opened its first location in 1885. Anderson has trained over 150,000 students during its over 140 years of history and continues to be an empowering partner for those who are experiencing career challenges and transitioning to the next phase of their lives. With multiple locations in Ontario, we are recognized for our high-caliber faculty, our hands-on, real-life career training, and supportive culture. Anderson College offers programs under healthcare, business, and technology. Have a great start to your career with job-ready training at Anderson College.
Our dental clinic at the Brampton campus is a brand new, modernized clinic, and we have a lot of chairs where our students can learn all hands-on skills from. Aside from the treatment area, we also have the dental lab, we have the sterilization room, and also we have the radiology room, which is where we take x-rays on patients, and we have a separate processing room where we develop all the x-rays that we've taken on the patients. The sterilization room is set up the way you have it in an actual dental office. We have two different types of autoclave machine, which we train them on, which are the two most common type of sterilization machine that you actually find in an actual dental office. In the dental lab, we teach students all the lab skills that includes trimming of study models. We teach them how to make bleaching trays, we teach them how to make custom trays, and they all have in-depth understanding of how to manage all these appliances. We talk to them about safety and precautions. The facility that we have at the Brampton campus is actually at par with what you have in the actual dental office. We have the same type of equipment, the same type of instruments that we use in the dental office is what we actually use in training our students in this campus at Anderson, because we use that and make sure that they're actually ready and prepared for a real-world experience.
My teacher is honestly the best. They make sure that I'm doing okay. Personally, I have a lot of things going on at home, so it is pretty hard for me regarding school, but in this really positive environment, my confidence has grown so much after all these months, really enjoying myself.
Being a personal support worker, you are the first and foremost contact with the resident. You're kind of family member to them when you're especially working in a long-term care. We are teaching them how to become a competent and by providing dignity and respect to our residents and the patients while they're working. The course is basically for 6 months. I can demonstrate how to do a particular procedure, for example, bathing, toileting, sitting, and we have equipments related to that like urinary bags, urinary catheters. We have briefs like incontinent briefs. We have a grooming stuff. We have slings, how to lift the patients with the slings. We have Hoyer lifter machines. We have wheelchairs here where we can teach the students how to transfer the patients from the bed to wheelchair and from the wheelchair to the bed. And we have a cute little bathroom here as well, where we can show the students how to give them the shower and bath, and also how to move the unable patients from the wheelchair to the shower. I also provide demonstration about the infant care, how to do infant care and mother care also. And along with that, there are certain procedures regarding vital signs. We have BP machines, thermometer, hearing aids, and the grooming stuff. This personal support worker program that we are doing is open to everybody. Those who are compassionate, those who are having a dignity towards our patients and residents, and those who are having the capabilities to handle the real life situations.
It's amazing. It's like we're all family. Like we've we've been seeing each other for a long time, but really and truly it's like been maybe 2 weeks or days. And the instructor, she's amazing. She always asks questions or always allow us to ask questions. So it's very interactive. Anderson College is the place.
The medical aesthetics program here, we have 3 rooms. We have the lab, which I'm in right now, where we do facials and waxing. And then we also have a laser room. And then we have the 3rd room where we do our disinfection control there. We also do massages and our body treatments. We start with theory first, which is important for the students to do their hands-on. So we start with anatomy and physiology. We start also with WHMIS, health and safety standards of the workplace, and also infection control. And then they get to practice their hands-on in the lab. We do have the state-of-the-art equipment here. So we have our laser machines, microdermabrasion. The students can also practice their non-surgical facelifts, and also chemical peels. And we also do relaxation massages. The students love it here. They say as soon as they walk in the door, they feel positive energy. It's just a very positive atmosphere. We're like a little family. The students love the equipment here. They recognize it from, seeing them at plastic surgeons' offices, seeing them at dermatology's offices, medical spas as well, day spas. So we do have latest technologies here. We're here for all aspects of their life. So I tell my students, anything you need, I'm here. So whether it be to do with the class projects or assignments, we're here for any part of their life. Because a lot of the students that come here are from, their second career, or they are from other countries, and they're new to Canada. So I want to make sure that they feel welcomed, and we're here to support them.
Like from the long time they are serving in Canada, and they have a good reputation. And so that's why I choose this college.
Inspiring.
Empowering.
Knowledgeable. Go for it.